Are we recording? Alright. Get your sugar book ass over here. Y'all ready? We recording?
We already recorded.
Oh damn. It's your boy T-Lite. Oh yeah. We're back up in the piece. As you see, I had to make sure my little nephew that running the street get himself killed. It's cold out here. We about to put this GT sign on here.
5.0 sign.
My bad. 5.0 sign on the fuel tank, fuel cap. We got it from
Amazon.
58
bucks.
It costs 58 bucks.
And it fits a 2015 to a 2020.
Fits a 2015 all the way up to a 2020. Got it from Amazon. Costs 50 bucks.
58 bucks.
58 bucks. Thank you, all things Christine. And this fits from 2015 all the way up to a 2020, meaning new gens. So first off, I'm gonna put this. Can you hold that for me? Thank you, GT. We're gonna pop it off. We're gonna need a screwdriver. Come on over here, GT. See this little piece of plastic right here? Y'all see this little piece of plastic? Get rid of it. What to do is I think we gotta pop this up. Where are you pushing in? Hold on. There we go. See how I popped that up? I pulled this up, little thing right here. Self-explanatory. You put your flathead screwdriver.
Does it matter what size flathead or no?
It really don't matter, but get you a flathead screwdriver about the size of this. If you can't really see it, zoom in on it, pause it, do what you gotta do. But yeah, you put the flathead screwdriver right here, pull up on it, don't break it. Pull up on it, and it releases this little thing right here.
Ice.
Nephew, get on over here. He be all right. And see how I release this little piece right here?
She crossed the street.
Honey, come on. Make sure you don't have your dogs out when you're making a video because they do what they want to do. But like I said, pull that off. See this little piece right here? It's hooked into it. If you come over here, look. See that? This is hooked into that. Let them see that, GT. Hooked into that. Now all you gotta do is use your little flathead. Get on back on me to start the show, GT. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just playing with y'all. Pull that off. Where the GT thing at?
Oh, right here, right here.
We're gonna
right
take
here,
this, lightly put it on the ground, because you might have to resell that motherfucker. 5.0, and then we're just gonna take this.
Come to this. Okay.
We're gonna slide it on here. Damn, man, the wind out here acting a motherfucking fool.
You must really love your subscribers, bro. You doing the rain, sleet, hail, snow, you give them that content.
Put that down tonight. What we're gonna do is release that too. It's supposed to snap right on. But you gotta get it, make sure it's lined up right.
And then you gotta like slide it in. Yeah.
Ooh, it's acting a fool out here. Gotta make sure it slide in right though, y'all. Don't rush the process. There we go. See how I slid that in, guys? Make sure you slide it in evenly. See, it won't come out now. Cause this little piece right here, that's gonna stop it from sliding off and on. See how that? But you'll get it, cause I could explain with this one. See these little slots right here? You're gonna put, it's gonna be a little slots on this side, on this right here. See these little slots? You put these two in first, slide it in like that, and it's gonna pop right in. Then it's gonna be sturdy. As you can see, it's sturdy, dirty. Boom. Oh, that don't look even. I'm gonna say, oh, that don't look even, baby. I'm gonna say, oh, we done fucking shit up. Bam, now you got your, look at that, look at that. These bolts right here, these little things right here, they for show. They really just for sure show. So if somebody try to steal your shit, come out here try to take all these off, he only gonna walk away with these. He ain't gonna get this. He's just gonna walk away with those. But damn, look at that. See what I'm saying? Bam, it's good to go. And you take your old one, see how it looks like that? You just flick it out of there because you don't need it no more. You just flick it on up out of there. It's snowing out here in the Midwest in case y'all can't see. It's snowing out here. So look at that, it's snowing out here in the Midwest. We getting our first snow today. Crazy daisy. But yeah, as you can see right there, boom. Look at that, man, that's crazy. Before, this is before, let me give you before. Before, trash, after. Before, after. Boom, look at that. Ooh-wee. My Mustang look good, wait. Yeah, my Mustang look, I mean GTG's Mustang look good. Did I say mine? My bad, hers. But as you can see, bam, look at you did it again. Bam, bam. And like I said, put that on the ground. You need your screwdriver. All you need is a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, to install this 5.0 gas cap. Push that in. Like I said, you take the screwdriver, put it into this little slot right here, and you bring it down just a little bit. Don't bring it down too much because you will break that, and then you ain't gonna have no gas cap, period.
Just enough to slide it out.
Just enough to slide it out.
Honey, get over here.
Once you slide it out, you pull it this way. See?
To the left.
To the left. Say it again, GT.
Pull it to the left.
To the
Slide
left.
It out slightly. Pull it to the left.
And boom, you're gonna have, then all you gotta do is put the new one on, and then you have a beauty looking like this. And then you got that. Then look at that. It set it off. Look good, real good too.
Yes, I think you could have got one with Mustang on there and GT also.
Oh yeah?
Like, yeah.
So they got different kinds you can?
5.0, Mustang or GT.
So you can get 3 different kinds. You get the 5.0, the Mustang, or the GT one. We want the 5.0 over here, baby. My Mustang looking good. I keep saying my Mustang. It's not my Mustang. It's GTD's Mustang. I keep saying my Mustang. Am I trying to clickbait? No, I'm just saying. Sometimes I feel like it's mine. But yeah, boom, look at that, look at that. I just brought you a quick little cheap modification that looks great. $58 on Amazon. How long it take for her to get them?
Probably one day.
One day. You get one day if you got Amazon Prime. Look at that. I'm gonna let y'all see the whole Mustang. Cause after that I'm out of here. It's cold out here, baby. Look, honey, ice. Look at that. Woo wee. That thing look good, don't it? Just pump our B-roll right here. And then go to Mustangy. Then go to Magnum. I ain't gonna show you our other vehicles because it's cold outside. But yeah, okay. One more time, I'll let y'all look at it, and then this video is gonna be done for because it's cold out here. There you go. Before, after. Before, after.
How did this add to Bane?
How much horsepower did this add? Being that we took off that heavy one that probably weighed, I think that was 200 pounds. This one weighed 200 pounds. That one weighs a cool half a pound. They gave us at least 45 extra horsepower. Okay. Just for this mod right here, you will gain 45 horsepower. I ain't playing with you. I ain't lying to you. I won't lie to you. But yeah, with that being said, it's cold as hell outside. I'm gonna leave you with some positivity. Man, I probably got eye boogers and everything in my face. But yeah, stay away from negative Ned, negative Nancy. They'll have you out here in the freezing cold with no heat, like we is right now. But always be positive. Always keep your head up. Don't walk around with your head down. If you ain't got something, eventually you will get it. You just gotta work hard. Remember what I said? Work hard. If you work hard enough for something, you're gonna get it. I'm trying to tell you. You just gotta work hard and believe in yourself. Always keep your head up. Shoot for the sky. Sky is not the limit. You just gotta shoot for something, man. Have some motherfucking belief in yourself. Stop being a sucker. Love yourself. And with that being said, it's your boy T-Lite. And I'm out this piece. Jiddig.
That's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.